Hello Year 8. It's really great to get a chance to speak to you, albeit from a phone strapped to a chair with sellotape. I hope you're all doing well and all looking after your families. Now, I've seen some of the work you've been doing. I've been so impressed with how quickly you've adapted to the way of working, so well done for that. Keep it going. Now, during this time, there's been times where boredom perhaps has kicked in, or sometimes where I've had so much to do that I don't know where to start. But I've started to develop a new hobby, probably not quite what everyone else is doing, a bit bread baking perhaps. It's this thing called Tic Tac. It's loads of people dancing and that sort of thing, and I think you might have heard of it. But I've kind of shared a little bit with you at the end of this assembly to show you my new hobby and show you what I've been doing during this time, as well as obviously keeping in touch with you lot. Now, my assembly today, I wanted to try and look at some positives in this time. Obviously, you watch the news, and there's so many negative things going on in the world. So what I've tried to focus on is those positive things, the things we're doing for the NHS, and then I followed up with a few things for you to think about and things that hopefully will support you. So for now, well done, keep going, and I can't wait to see you again. Take care.